We're going to talk about a handy little feature of the Gimp scale tool called Corrective Backwards. It's a feature that may save you a few steps in cropping and resizing an image. Sometimes when you have posted a picture online or on a blog site, you have decided afterwards that you want to crop the picture to bring out the subject matter or zoom in on it, but you don't want to change the frame size because you've already done your text wrapping around it and have composed the page. This is where this tool becomes very handy. So we're going to go ahead and select the scale tool, which is shown underneath my cursor here. After selecting the scale tool, we'll go to the tool options box and we'll select layers under transform, corrective backward, cubic, crop to result, grid, 15 lines, and this is very important, keep the aspect. So we're going to go ahead and drag our grid across the image, and you can see I grab the circle and that allows me to move the box, and I'm going to just change the image that I want to have in my full frame out here. So this image, when I get done here, is going to expand outward to fit the frame or canvas size we had. So it's going from small to large. That's why they call it a corrective backwards. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm happy with that. I'm going to hit scale, and as you can see, we got the same size frame or canvas, and we have zoomed in on the image. We got a little bit different look at it. That's it. Thanks very much.